Welcome to FinTech Central. This is Byte-Sized Intel, where we break down complex tech and finance topics into simple, no-fluff explanations, all in under 3 minutes. Let's get into it. You've probably heard people tossing around terms like AutoGPT, Devin, or AI agents. Maybe you've nodded along, but didn't actually know what they meant. That's okay. Most people don't. So let's fix that. Because understanding AI agents now, before they go mainstream, could give you a serious head start. In the simplest terms, an AI agent is a system that can think, plan, and take action on your behalf. Unlike a regular chatbot that only responds to your prompts, an AI agent can break down your goal into steps, make decisions, and complete tasks with minimal help from you. It's like giving a smart assistant a mission, and it just runs with it. It doesn't wait around for your next instruction. It moves through the steps, checks its own work, and even adapts if something changes in real time. Let's say you told a regular chatbot, "Help me launch a website." It might give you a checklist or suggest a few tools. But an AI agent? It'll figure out the tools it needs, write the code, test the site, and deploy it, all while updating you along the way. It's the difference between someone handing you instructions and someone doing the job for you. That's what makes AI agents so powerful. They don't just give you answers, they do the work. AutoGPT was one of the first to show this off. You'd give it a goal, and it would spin up subtasks, run loops, access external tools, and keep refining the results. It wasn't perfect, but it was the first glimpse at autonomous AI in action, and it opened the door to a new generation of tools. Then came Devin, an AI software engineer that can write code, fix bugs, run tests, and push updates to GitHub, just like a junior developer would. It doesn't just answer coding questions. It takes the brief, builds the product, and manages the whole development cycle on its own, step by step. The bottom line? AI agents are here, and they're only getting smarter. So what does this mean for you? It means that soon, your biggest bottleneck won't be finding information. It'll be knowing what to delegate. Agents will handle the busy work, so you can focus on the big picture. Planning a trip, managing a side hustle, building an app, or running a YouTube channel. These are all things AI agents are beginning to help with. And if you learn how to use them now, you're ahead of 99% of people who still think AI is just a chatbot. That's it for this bite-sized intel. If you found it helpful, give it a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to FinTech Central. We're just getting started. See you in the next one.